Hello and welcome to Digital. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the ASUS ROG Strix G17 gaming laptop. Now this is the 2021 edition of the ROG Strix G17 gaming laptop, and it's powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU. So let me just go ahead quickly, open the box up and lay out everything that you get inside here. Alright, so I've removed everything that's inside the box, and you basically get some setup guide, some documents. You have the laptop itself. This is the G17 and the 2021 edition, and you get a 200 watt power brick and a power cable. Now let's come to the laptop. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor. It has a 3.2 GHz base speed, and it can go all the way up to 4.4 GHz at max boost speed. So it's an 8-core 16-thread processor, and with that processor there is an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, and it has ROG boost up to 1840 megahertz at 80 watts plus another 15 watts of dynamic boost. ASUS claims you can get up to 95 watts of TGP with the graphics card. This laptop has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and it can be upgraded all the way up to 32 GB. For storage, you've got a 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD, and there's an additional M.2 slot if you want to add another one. The display is a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display, and it has a brightness of up to 250 nits and a max refresh rate of 144 Hz. So some of the other features that I can tell you that this laptop sort of supports. Let me tell you about the ports to begin with. So of course the design is actually quite striking, as you can see. There's a big ROG and a red accent here at the back. It's pretty hefty, this laptop, pretty big again. At the base you can see you have fans inside here. So this is the fans are gonna run, and you have vents for your airflow at the base. You also have vents on the side and at the back, and on this side as well. Let me tell you about the ports on this laptop. So on the left side you get two USB ports, and you have a 3.5 mm audio jack for you to plug in your headphones. Turn it around. On the right side there are actually no ports. So the ports are actually all located at the back. So at the back of the laptop you get another USB port. You have a Type-C port, and you can actually charge the laptop with Type-C. One of the features is that it supports 100 watt Type-C charging. You have an HDMI port also. There's an Ethernet port, and there's the power port right here. So that's where the power cable goes into. So as you can see, it's quite a large laptop. Design wise, the keyboard of course it features RGB lighting, and this comes also with Aura Sync. So you can use Aura Sync to actually customize the lights on this keyboard. For cooling, ASUS claims that they've used a liquid metal thermal compound, so it will keep it pretty cool. It has 4-zone RGB keyboard actually, and you can see the WASD keys are highlighted. This laptop also features a two-way AI noise cancellation and Dolby Atmos sound, so that's pretty neat. As you can see, it's also Wi-Fi 6 certified. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Strix G15 gaming laptop. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.